Hey guys, welcome back to our garage. Back to the 82 Vet project here. Crawler project, Jaguar project. Still all three going on. Still all three not done. Pretty exciting day here. We got last week our box of seat parts come in. I got these here from Corvette America. I kind of cheated with this car. I kind of cheated with this. I got the seats mounted on the foam already. The cover is already mounted. So it's basically just stick them on the seat and go. It wasn't much more expensive to do to have them professionally installed. And from what I can see, they look pretty darn nice. So what we're gonna do, I gotta pull these cushions off of here and get our backs painted, get the hardware cleaned up and painted. So that's gonna be our next video here, is redoing the seats. So stay tuned and let's get our Corvette with a new set of seats. All right, guys, we got our driver's seat all done here. Had a little difficulty getting the cushions to snap into the tabs on the backs, but with two of us here and some persuasion, we got them in. So look pretty darn nice. It's going to make a real nice addition to the interior. Like I said, I bought these installed already, so they come out pretty nice. There's a few wrinkles here, but I think we get it sitting out in the sun, because those should all come out. So that's it for that seat. We'll start on the other one and get them put in.